Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. Guest editions must be installed inside the virtual machine, and you need administrative access to the guest. Once done, start the VM and pause to check the Virtualbox menu. Make sure scale mode is off and the window is on the monitor you intend to use. These steps matter because guest editions provide drivers and integration, and scale mode can prevent true full-screen behavior, so confirm both before proceeding to the display settings. Now you enable full screen. Press the host key plus F. By default, the host key is right control to toggle full screen mode immediately. Then adjust the guest OS display resolution to match your host monitor for crisp output. This helps avoid letterboxing or stretched images. If available, use the Virtualbox menu view right arrow auto-resize guest display so the guest automatically adopts the window size. These steps work together because the host toggle switches modes, while auto-resize and correct resolution ensure proper scaling and clarity. Finish the process by rebooting the guest to ensure guest editions drivers load fully. This often resolves remaining display glitches. Then verify Virtualbox display settings. Allocate sufficient video memory and enable 3D acceleration if the guest UI requires it. If full screen still fails, reinstall guest editions inside the guest or update Virtualbox on the host, because mismatched versions cause integration breaks. One quick troubleshooting tip: use a clean reinstall of guest editions and reboot. It fixes most full screen and resolution problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.